Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be building Mr. Circuit Lab number 12, which involves a 7-segment display. So if you want to open up your Mr. Circuit Lab manuals to page number 31, open up a new TinkerCAD, create a new circuit, we can get started. Okay, now that we've created a new circuit in TinkerCAD, we can start by bringing in some of our components. Let's start with our breadboard. Drag that in. Next, we can bring in our resistor. Remember, we have to change this to a 100 ohm resistor instead of a 1000 ohm resistor. And I'm also going to rotate it 90 degrees just so it fits better into our circuit. We can bring in our 9-volt battery. And again, I'm going to rotate this as well 180 degrees so it fits better. And I'm also going to bring in now our new component, the 7-segment display. So I have to do a search 7-segment, and you see it pops up here. Drag that in. Now we can start building. So why don't we first place our 7-segment display. You can place it anywhere right in the middle of the breadboard is fine. Remember, it does have to cross over both sides of the breadboard for there to be enough room to put in all of our wires. Next, we can bring in our 100 ohm resistor. This is going to go in row F. And remember, each wire is going to have to start being in the same line as the end of the resistor right here. Next, we can connect our red and black leads from the 9-volt battery. I'm bringing in the red lead. Remember, it has to go right in the middle on the top, otherwise it will not bring power to the entire 7-segment display. And the black lead can just go right in the top left corner in line with the other side of our resistor. Now I'm ready to bring in each wire to create the number 7 on our display here. So first, why don't I bring in our wire to the bottom, and these can stay green, and this is going to go to the second from the right on the bottoms. The next wire can go to the second from the right on the top, and our third wire can go all the way to the top right corner. So if we hit start simulation, this should create the number 7.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So the first thing we want to check, we're going to hover over this. And if you do read it, it says that there is too much current going to our 7-segment display, which is causing this explosion. It's being overpowered. So what we're going to do, even though the lab manual says to make it a 100 ohm resistor, I'm going to hit stop simulation, and we're going to change this to 470 ohms, a little bit stronger resistance. Hopefully that'll do the trick. So now you can hit start simulation again. And you can see we do have the number 7 without the explosion now. So as long as your 7-segment display is displaying a 7, make sure to take your screenshot, put it on the Google Doc, and ask us if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.